They say cinnamon can boost hair growth, but does it actually work? Today I'm putting it to test on my own thinning hair. No oils, no herbs, just cinnamon. You will see how I made it, how I applied it, and what happened next. If you've been struggling with hair loss, hair breakage, or hair thinning, make sure to watch this video to the end. Cinnamon is more than a spice. It's known for boosting circulation on the scalp, which can wake up dormant hair follicles. It may also help with dandruff, itching, and promoting a healthier scalp. To prepare, add 1 stick of cinnamon or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to half a cup of warm water. If you are using cinnamon powder, mix it well and allow it to sit for up to 1 hour. But if you are using the stick like me, allow it to sit for a day. This way, the cinnamon stick can absorb water and the whole nutrient will be released. After 24 hours, sieve out the juice and your cinnamon hairspray is ready for use. Whether you're on protective hairstyle or not, just go ahead and apply this cinnamon hairspray to your hair. Apply it directly to your scalp, focusing on target areas where you have thinning edges, thinning hair, or your scalp. Guys, I'm feeling a warm tingling sensation. This is a good sign that circulation is increasing. You can use this spray as a rinse or leave-in. This cinnamon hairspray can be used by all hair types, including relaxed hair or palmed hair. My honest review about this cinnamon hairspray: there is no irritation, but it's definitely active. I plan to use this as a leave-in. This is my first time ever trying cinnamon on my scalp, and I'll be watching for any changes in the coming days. Guys, always massage your scalp. It's very important. In fact, it should be part of your hair routine. And if you have not been massaging your scalp, please do well to start. Massaging your scalp helps blood flow. It works the same way you massage your body. So you can see that massaging your scalp is very, very important. Guys, that is it for today's video. If you are struggling with hair thinning and looking for a simple, affordable remedy, cinnamon might be worth a try. Make sure to subscribe if you have not for more DIY tutorials and reviews. Like this video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment if you have ever tried cinnamon or if you are planning to start. See you in my next video. Bye.